Keep that music going.
Keep the music
This is My
going.
Delhi Indian Streetery. Congratulations. Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, our next winner, this is the winner. Ladies and gentlemen, it is on to our penultimate award of the evening. This is a biggie. National Chef of the Year 2022. Woo! Who is it going to be? So, to present this award, please welcome Graham Taylor and Shadraham, Executive Chefs from Cambridge Regional College.
Welcome. And the winner is?
And the winner is My Delhi Indian Streetery.
My Delhi Indian Streetery.
There they are, coming up, guys. Photographer, please, guys. Our official photographer here.
Huge congratulations,
Congratulations, thank you.
guys. Okay, if you head backstage,
We're
that'd be
doing
great.
it backstage.
There's loads more opportunities to take photos, I promise you.